Hi, welcome back to the web development. Yeah, with me once again, Richard Shrine Mtamo from Malawi. We're going to continue what we just started. I want to continue where I stopped. So today we want to look at the practical part whereby we'll be dealing with HTML, but also we'll also have the text editor, which will be the Notepad++ at this point. So as we're going to start with this practical part, let me just first talk more about what it means by the HTML. So HTML, what is it all about? So HTML is just an abbreviation which stands for Hypertext Markup Language, whereby Hypertext Markup Language, there are two things in it. We've got the HTML, we've got the hypertext, but also markup language. So what does it? What does these two things mean? Hypertext means information or a text document or which has some links in it, while markup language is how the document or the web page or how the document or the project will appear to be, or how will it look like on the web browser when it's being displayed. Yeah, so that's the markup language. So without wasting time, we're going straight to HTML tags. But remember, I can't manage to explain one by one, but we're going to be doing it, explaining it one by one as we'll be doing practically. So without wasting much of your time, let us just go to the practical part. So this time around, I'm going to open my Notepad++. If you have, you can install it. If you already have, you can just start. So here, this is my Notepad+ that I've launched. So as far as we're starting in HTML5, we have got the declaration, HTML declaration, which declare that this document that will be viewable by the browser is an HTML document. That's why we need to start with the declaration. So we start the declaration by the declaration of HTML5 is left angle bracket, then you start with the exclamation mark, then you write doc type, then we'll have HTML in this sense. So this is just a declaration, it's not a tag. So declaration doc type, which symbolize that what we will be dealing with is HTML. So here we have to indicate that what document will it be, which language of the document will be. So we'll start with the left angle bracket, then we'll say HTML language, HTML language is equal to double quotes. Inside the double quote, inside the quotes, you're going to write, I don't know which language you're going to choose. I'm going to write English. So this is English. After that, you're going to close with the closing tag. The closing right angle bracket. So there we go. Then you are going to start with the head tag, which is the head opening tag. So this is just an open tag. Thereafter, we go to the next part whereby we'll open another tag, which will be, what tag will be this one? So this tag, it should indicate the title. The title tag. So meaning that this is the title of the document, that is the title of the web page that we're starting. So what will be the title? So the title will be learning learning HTML with Lions web development. Then remember, there is a slight difference between these tags. So an open tag has it doesn't have the / after the left angle bracket. But the only difference which is there is that the closing tag has the uh, / just after the left angle bracket, meaning that that one will be the closing tag. So let's write / then title. So that's the closing tag of the title. So meaning that our title will be learning HTML with Lions web development. So this title, remember, mind you, it doesn't appear on the content as a content on the browser as we are viewing it, but it just appears on the title bar on the web browser. So remember, HTML documents, they are being opened, they are being viewable by the HTML, by the web browser. It might be Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari. We've got so many web browsers. Etc. So many web browsers. So without wasting time, let's just go to the main point. Other part. So that one is just a title. So we'll start the title. So instead, without wasting time, let's just start with the heading now, the heading of the document. So without wasting time, so the heading tag, it possesses H1. So H1 is the heading 1. So that's the heading 1. So what will be our heading? Our heading should be Malawi is covered. No, it should be learning web dev is the best thing I have chosen in my life. So that's it. So close it with the left angle bracket, then /, then heading 1. So I think you can notice the difference between the opening tag and the closing tag. So heading 1 is the open tag, and the heading 1 without / after the left angle bracket is an open tag, while the closing tag, it has the left angle. After the left angle bracket, we have got the / then H1, that's the heading. So the largest heading in appearance and size is heading 1. It starts from heading 1 up to heading 5, whereby to heading 6, whereby heading 6 is the smallest. It appears small in size. So that's heading 6 is 1 to heading 6. So how will this being viewed? So here we're going to close it with the left angle bracket. Then we've got the head tag, closing tag. Yeah, so that's the heading tag. We have crossed what we have written in the heading. We have got the title. We have got the heading. So how will it be viewed? So we'll save this one. We'll save this file here. Save as. I'm going to save this file as. I'll save this file as. I'll save this file as Lions. Then here The file should be HTML. Then I will choose where to save this file. For example, I'm going to save on my desktop so that it can be easily identified. So I'll save it here. Yeah, it's already there. So I'll just repress it. Then I continue to another part. I want to check this part first. Then we'll start with the body. Remember, the body document project should have the body. So the body will be like this. Then what will be with our body? So the body has a paragraph. So paragraph, the opening tag for the paragraph is P and the right angle bracket. So P is the paragraph, stands for the paragraph. So that's the paragraph. So I will write a paragraph here. I don't know. I will write something from my head. I love coding very much in my daily life. So I can cross it with the crossing tag of the paragraph, which is I need to put the left angle, then /, then right P, then what? Right angle bracket. Then I'll close it to the crossing body tag. As for me, I've indicated this is the only paragraph that I have. So if I'm done with it, then I'll write the crossing body tag, then /, then I have to write body crossing tag with the right angle bracket. So that the body. So I need also to indicate that this is the end of my project. And so I have to write the crossing tag for HTML. So that's it. So here we have got this one, HTML, this one. If you click here, at the same time it also click here. So these text works move in pairs. Then pairs, if you click here, it also click this other side part. If you click H1, H2 also H1, the crossing tag also be what? Shaded. Heading, it also be like that. Body, the crossing and opening the body will be highlighted. Paragraphs, the opening and the crossing paragraphs will be what? Tags will be what? Highlighted. Okay, let's see how we can view this project. So this time around, that marks the end of today's lesson. May God bless you all. And before we have crossed this part, let's save this project first. We save it, and then how can we view it? Let's close it. Let's minimize it. We saved it as lines. Here I'll just double click so that we can see. So remember, the project what we've been typing there is this one. So that one was our heading. Remember, the heading is always in bold or dark in color or black in color if it has not what? If it has not been customized. Maybe it must be, when we have changed it, maybe we can use a cascading style sheet or CSS to stylish it or to change colors, but the default font is bold or black in color or dark in color. So here we have the what? This is the paragraph. I love coding very much in my daily life. So this is the what? Paragraph. So this, as far as it is concerned, this is the heading. If you can view the source code, what we have been writing, what we've been coding, you can open this one. We can open Notepad++, or else if you can view it here, just by view page source where the page has been generated. So we will come out with the source code. So this is the source code that has brought this one. This is the HTML source code which has brought this outcome.